Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a architecturally designed, incomplete, four-story dwelling for sale. It sits on approximately half acre of land. It is located in the gated community of Hopeton Meadows in Manchester. The completed ground floor comprises of 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, living and dining area with a spacious kitchen, a lounge area with enclosed patio and garage with automatic shutter. The incomplete floors propose a total of 10 additional bedrooms and 7 bathrooms. Please note that the price of this house is also negotiable. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 60 million or US $389,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.